Hello and welcome to another Easy Billing tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Generate from Other Document feature. Creating new documents from scratch can be time-consuming. The Generate from Other Document feature streamlines this process. It allows you to leverage existing documents or templates to create new ones, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Let's see how it works. First, when creating a new document, click the Generate From button located at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying all the available document types you can generate from. Select the type you need. For example, let's choose quotation. The software will then display a list of existing quotations that you can use as a base for your new document. Simply choose the one you want. The details of source document will be loaded into your new document. Below the document list, you'll find options to manage the source document. You can update the status of the source document directly from here, and even modify its color highlights for better organization. The change on the source document will be applied once the new document is saved. This makes document management much more efficient, as you can update statuses without having to navigate away from the new document you're creating. Now, let's look at a special case. Creating a receipt from an invoice. This is where the Generate from Other Document feature really shines. When generating a receipt from invoices, you have two modes to choose from: Single Select and Multiple Select, located at the top right corner. In Single Select mode, when you select a single invoice, the software automatically copies all the line item details from the invoice to the new receipt. This ensures that the receipt accurately reflects the invoice's contents. In Multiple Select mode, when you select multiple invoices, the software loads a summary of payments received for those invoices. The receipt will display a consolidated view of payments for each invoice, making it easy to track customer payments. But that's not all. You can also record payments received for the source invoices directly from here. Simply enable the payment recording option at the bottom of the document list. Then, specify the payment details such as the date, payment method, and amount. Save the payment details to update the source invoices. The change on the source invoices will be applied once the new document is saved. This feature significantly improves workflow efficiency by allowing you to manage invoice payments directly while creating receipts. This helps ensuring accurate tracking of customer payments. So, to recap, the Generate from Other Document feature in Easy Billing helps you save time, ensures consistency across your documents, streamlines your workflow, and allows for accurate payment tracking. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found this helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Easy Billing. Thanks for watching.